Today is June 26th, 1992, and our new house is arriving at any minute. Since the demolition took place, we burned the remains of the old house in the hole that you saw in the previous video. I poured 5 gallons of diesel fuel onto the pile and lit it at sunset. We had about 30 people over for a ceremonial weenie roast while it was burning. No, we didn't actually roast the hot dogs on the house fire. We had a campfire well off to one side. It took a couple of days for the fire to completely extinguish. Then the hole was covered up and a new excavation was made a few feet away for the lower level or basement of the new house. This basement is 28 feet wide and 68 feet long, as is the new house. It has poured concrete walls and floor, all in 4,500 psi reinforced concrete, surface treated right after pouring. It is tiled inside and out for moisture control. The new concrete floor sits on a foot-deep layer of pea gravel to additionally aid drainage. Once the concrete had strengthened some, the whole area was then roughly landscaped to produce a walkout lower level.
The supports for the stairs on.
No. Yep. Easy now. Let's watch him do the corners. Yeah, all set. Doing fine. Okay, once again, just for the record, it is Friday, June 26th at 1:58 p.m. This is Mom and Dad's new house. As you can see, it's coming in 2 pieces on 2 semis. We were just at the intersection of County Road B and 10th Avenue, and we are now heading towards the house. When you pull in, pull up a little bit. Oh yeah, you could do that too. Just pull past the driveway so I can jump out. Huh?
5 axles on that baby. Can you believe it? She's a biggie. Looks like there's an adjustment on the tongue thing, and that guy stopped to raise it up. The tongue dragged just a little bit. Oh, better get a reaction shot. Truly incredible. What a house. There they go.
I've speeded this portion up by a factor of 3 just so you can see the moving process occur. I was surprised with the ease of pulling onto the new yard and getting the two halves of the new home set closely together. Now we have to wait a few days for the installation crew and the crane to arrive.
Okay, I believe this to be the laundry room. Door to the furnace. Oh my goodness. This bathroom is wonderful. It's huge. Wow. That's wonderful.
How about that, huh?
This, I imagine, will be the front door.
You know, this is a small thing, but I'm sure glad they did it. The dryer vent is already in. It goes down through the floor and out the end. I was thinking, how are we gonna vent that? Because it's not on outside.
This is a large walk-in closet.
Wow.
His and hers. And this is about half of the bedroom, I would imagine.